Hello, my name is Chris, and today I want to talk to you about something important I've learned a couple of months ago regarding networking. And I've been able to apply this new concept in the whole art of networking that was able to change my results that I've gotten. Now, I know in previous years or throughout most of, my experience, I've been attending networking events and exchanging as many business cards as possible. Also, I've been going through all the social network sites like Facebook and LinkedIn and just trying to connect with as many people as possible so that I can increase the number of friends or contacts that I would have in my list so that when the time has come, I'll be able to approach them and see how they can help in my business. Now, throughout the years, I've been thinking that perhaps something was a little bit off. I've been coming from the approach of how can they help me? What can they do it for me, or what's in it for me in that sense? And I realized that I've been approaching this whole networking process all wrong. And I didn't realize this until one of my mentors pointed it out and said, "Why don't you try this one thing, change this little way and style of how you network, and I promise you that you're going to have incredible results if you apply this simple thing." So I asked my mentor, "Exactly what is it? If it's so simple, how come I don't know about it?" And he told me that the reason why most of us don't know it is that we aren't taught properly on how to network with people. So this is what he said. He mentioned that instead of trying to network and trying to connect with hundreds of people or focusing on the quantity of contacts you can build, he focused on building very few relationships and focusing on quality as opposed to quantity. So what he said was, think of a person or think of people out there who you want to definitely become or see who might be able to help you in the future, but don't approach it from that way. Then he said the next step is you need to do a bit of research or do a bit of background on this person that you want to connect with, particularly what they're doing in business, what sort of projects they're working on, and most importantly, finding out what their top three goals are for the year. Then, when you're ready to make that connection with the person, come from the viewpoint of I'm going to add value to this person. This is how I'm going to help out. So when you approach this person, send a message or make a connection and say, "Hi, I heard that you're working on these sort of projects this year, and I've heard that these are your top three goals that you want to achieve. What I'd like to do is help you achieve these top three goals, and these are the specific examples of how I can help you meet these top three goals." Then that person may be very impressed that you're coming from the vantage point of I want to help you. I want to help you succeed and help you get to where you want. And obviously this person who might be successful might be getting hundreds of other contacts that want to network with him. But if you're the one person that comes from the vantage point of wanting to help, that person is definitely going to remember you and definitely want to help you in the future as well. So that's just one suggestion, I would encourage you all to try in terms of building your relationships and networking. So rather than just trying to go to a speed networking event and exchanging business cards and thinking, how can this person help me in the future? Think from the standpoint of offering value to that new connection that you want. Offer to help that person, him or her, achieve his or her top three goals for the year. And I can guarantee you that that person will remember you when the time is right, when you would need his or her help in terms of how you can build your business. And I've done that over the last couple of months, and it's all coming back to me now that they're helping me build up my network marketing business. And it's been, quite an enjoyable experience. So definitely I encourage you all to try this and see if you can incorporate these examples into your networking activities. And the great motivational speaker Zig Ziglar did say, you can get anything that you want in life if you just help enough people get what they want. And that's so true. And just remember, always come from the standpoint of offering value to the new connection and seeing where he or she can help you rather than the other way around of what can this person do for me. And I can guarantee you'll start seeing results. Thank you, and looking forward to speaking with you again sometime soon.